Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. And for this video, what we'll be delving into is installing Amazon Q for command line, specifically for Ubuntu operating system. And I've used Amazon Q before on my IDE, specifically VS Code, and it's worked so well. And now we're going to delve into how to install it on command line, and specifically for Ubuntu OS. Prerequisites for this video: number one is have an AWS Builder ID, and secondly, have an Ubuntu OS installed, and specifically Ubuntu 22 and above to be able to install it. If you have Ubuntu 20, there are few dependency issues that you will encounter on this. So I would prefer or actually advise you to be able to upgrade to Ubuntu 22 to be able to have a smooth experience with Amazon Q for command line. Perfect. So first thing you do, before that, I'll just show you how it works so far and how I have been using it. You just call Q, then you'll be able to be logged in and be able to use it. For right now, I will quit, then start from scratch. Clear. All right. I'll run all the commands just to uninstall it. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to uninstall it and kind of start again for this. All right. Great. So here we go. I think it's successfully uninstalled it and we're good to go. So I'll clear my screen again and put this in the middle here. So the first thing you do in terms of that is, let's scroll down to the docs and see what's there. There's macOS, there's Linux, and specifically now Ubuntu. There we go. First thing you do is copy this command, being able to get essentially the zip file, and click enter. Once you do that, it will start installing the file at the very end. So for me, I'll cancel because I already have it installed on my PC. So I started installing it again, but I don't want to install that one. So I'll remove it. Unless I think now we're good to go. And so I have the file on me. Next thing you do, just like the other commands to be able to install it onto your system. Let's do that. Perfect. So I think it's unpacked it and we're good to go. The next thing you do is do Q login to be able to log in your Amazon Q. Essentially here what you do is you have an AWS Builder ID, and that's where it comes in, also a Pro license. For me, I have an AWS Builder ID and I don't have a Pro license, so I'm going to pick the AWS Builder ID, which is your AWS Builder ID. So I'll press enter. Then from there, it will take you to your default browser where you're either logged in to your AWS Builder ID. If you're not, you can put in the details and be able to log in. I'm already automatically logged in, so it will automatically detect and be able to log me in. So there we go. You can see that that's where we're at. And also on the command line, you'll be able to see it's saying logging in. I'll say allow access, request approved, and voila, I think we're good to go. Then the next thing you do now is just call it as previously, and you come in, you'll be inside. Then hi there. It will tell you what it's currently running on. Perfect. And it says Amazon Q and your AI assistant, and I think it's running on Claude for Sonnet. So that's really cool, and I think we can do a lot of things with this. So hopefully that has helped you. Have a good one.